Hello, today we are going to solve one problem based on sampling distribution. So let's see what is in this problem. We are given three IIT standard normal random variables x1, x2, x3 and we need to find which of the given option is true. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. So we have x1, x2, x3 and they are IID normal 0, 1. Now the value of x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is normal 0 comma 1 plus 4 plus 1, or we can write normal 0 comma 6. Therefore x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 divided by root over 6 is standard normal, and x1 plus x2 plus x3 is normal 0 comma 3. So this implies x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by root over 3 is standard normal. Therefore, the square of standard normal variate is nothing but chi-square with degrees of freedom 1. Now let's find the covariance between these two random variables, that is x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 and x1 plus x2 plus x3. So here we get variance of x1 minus 2 into variance of x2 plus variance of x3, and all the covariance terms vanishes because the random variables are IID. So we get 1 minus 2 plus 1, which results in 0. So these two random variables x1 minus 2 x2 plus x3 and uh, x1 plus x2 plus x3, both they are mutually independent. Okay, now x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 divided by root over 6, which is a standard normal, and x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole square divided by 3, which is chi-square, and they are independent. So we can write x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 divided by root over 6 whole divided by root over x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole square divided by 3 is t with degrees of freedom 1. So after some manipulation we get x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 whole divided by root over 2 modulus of x1 plus x2 plus x3 is t with degrees of freedom 1. Hence option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all. So thank you very much.